This apartment for rent is now available in Bacoor City, Cavite. 5,000 pesos monthly. Second floor ang available. 5,000 pesos monthly lang po with one bedroom. Fully tiles at ito ang loob na pinapaupang bahay. This is Happy Family Locator Agent. 5,000 pesos monthly ang down payment, 1 month advance, and 1 month deposit only. May sariling metro ng kuryente ang Meralco, may sariling metro ng tubig, may nilad, yes kids, no pets allowed, and street parking only. Landmark, SM Bacoor City, Cavite. Landmark, Meralco, Bacoor. Kung naghahanap ka ng house for rent or apartment for rent online, bagong pinapaupang bahay, commercial space na good for your business, this is Happy Family Locator Agent at marami po tayong available kung gusto nyo ng ganitong klase na video, ganitong klase na content. Maraming salamat nga po pala sa mga sumusuporta sa amin, sa mga nagiging clients namin, sa mga nagla-like, nagko-comment, nag-share, nakapollow sa aming page. Maraming salamat po. Grab nyo na, check nyo na, apartment for rent in Bacoor City, Cavite, 5,000 pesos monthly with 1 bedroom, 1 month advance and 1 month deposit only. Maraming salamat po kay Sir Efren, yung may-ari ng pinapaupang bahay dahil ina-allow niya kaming i-post ang kanyang property online. Ayan, maraming salamat po, check nyo na lang po ulit. Thank you po.